Screen mirroring is a great way to share everything on your phone with friends and family using the big screen on your TV. However, it can be incredibly frustrating when your phone refuses to connect to your television. Welcome back to TechVibes. In this video, we are going to show you how to guarantee that your phone mirrors its screen perfectly to any television. Let us jump right into the fixes. Step 1 is to navigate to your native Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top of your phone screen to open the Control Panel menu. You may need to scroll left to locate the exact button labeled Screencast. Push the Screencast button and select the specific television model you want to send your media to. Touch Start now to mirror your display and play your audio directly through the TV. Step 2 is to synchronize your local wireless connection frequencies. Your phone must be connected to the exact same wireless internet network name as your television for any screen mirroring method to function. Open the settings menu on both devices to verify they match. For the absolute best streaming stability and zero playback lag, make sure both devices are specifically utilizing your 5 GHz network band instead of the older 2.4 GHz connection. Step 3 is to deploy the official Google Home app for device management. Some Android phones cannot screen mirror to televisions using the standard pull-down shortcut menu. Go to the App Store and download the free Google Home application. Open the application and click on the Devices tab. Select your target television name, click Cast to My Screen, and select Start Now to establish an instant video connection. Step 4 is to utilize the specialized Smart View tool for ecosystem hardware. If you are trying to connect a Samsung phone to a native Samsung smart television, you will use an updated technology known as Miracast. Open your phone, pull down Quick Settings menu, and tap the button labeled Smart View. Select your specific television from the available list and tap Start Now. You can also run the official Samsung SmartThings app to achieve the exact same result. Step 5 is to configure your general cast settings for hidden displays. Open your mobile phone settings menu and navigate to connected devices. Click on Connection Preferences and select the option labeled Cast. If your television supports general wireless casting, its name will appear directly in this list. Click on the display profile to initiate a clean video handshake and mirror your device instantly. Step 6 is to install the Air Receiver application on Amazon hardware. An Amazon Fire TV does not come with standard casting protocols built in. Go to the Amazon App Store, open the search bar and type the phrase Air Receiver. Purchase and download the app onto your device. Open the application, grant media access permissions, and ensure the Google Cast box is fully checked. This application runs quietly in the background so you can cast smoothly. You must use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. Wireless screen mirroring, casting applications, and third-party media tools can experience heavy buffering and sudden drops caused by your internet service provider tracking your local network data. A premium VPN completely hides your streaming traffic and stops provider bandwidth throttling instantly. The official NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. Click that special link to secure your connection and run your application smoothly today. Stop struggling with broken casting setups and enjoy your mobile content on the big screen. Drop a like on this video if this wireless mirroring guide helped you out. Leave a comment below letting us know if your device successfully connected. Smash that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tech updates. Thank you for watching TechVibes, and I will see you in the next video.